If you like the video, make a drink and subscribe to the channel.
In a few weeks, you'll finally be able to get your hands on a brand new 2020 Jeep Gladiator pickup. And if you're a Jeep lover that needs versatility, you'll want to. It hits dealers this summer, and when it does, the base sport model asks $33,545 before destination. If you want a fully loaded Rubicon, prepare to dish out $43,545. And if you really want to go all out, a limited launch edition model is available at a cost of $60,815. But hurry, Jeep is building just 4,190 of those. The base sport model is the most affordable, but it's pretty scarce. It gets old-school features like roll-up windows, manual door locks, halogen headlamps, and a basic set of 17-inch wheels, among a few others. The next-up Overland model makes do with standard 18-inch wheels, power windows, thankfully, and locks, and dual-zone automatic climate control, with the option for LED headlights. Every version of the Gladiator is a convertible, both hard and soft tops, and all Gladiators offer a low-range gearbox for off-roading. You'll find the same 3.6-liter V6 engine producing 285 horsepower, 212 kilowatts, and 260 pound-feet, 352 newton-meters of torque throughout the range. And the choice of either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic. The Rubicon model is where things start to get interesting. Things like tow hooks, LED headlights, 17-inch polished wheels, and more off-road kit come standard on the Rubicon model. You can opt for features like a Bluetooth wireless speaker, forward-facing off-road camera, bigger all-terrain tires, and more, but a fully loaded Rubicon could cost you nearly $60,000.